While you were stuck in traffic this morning, a silent revolution just flew over the Golden Gate Bridge. As of March 2026, the flying car is no longer a joke. With Joby Aviation entering the final stage of FAA certification and Loganair launching the first electric postal routes in Scotland, the engineering math has officially flipped. Here's why the $50 airport commute isn't just a dream, it's a mathematical certainty that is about to kill the traditional taxi. On March 11th, the first FAA-conforming Joby S4, tail number N547JX, officially began its 4-credit flight testing. This isn't a prototype, it's the production model built to the exact standards of the final exam. At the same time, Archer Aviation has been named the official air taxi partner for the 2026 World Cup in Los Angeles. They aren't just building planes, they are building the infrastructure for millions of fans to skip the 405 freeway entirely. But here's the problem. A single battery for these aircraft costs more than a brand new Tesla. So how can they possibly charge you less than an Uber? It's not about fuel, it's about parts. A traditional helicopter turbine is a maintenance nightmare, a ticking clock of thousands of expensive moving components. An electric motor? It has about 20. We're looking at a 90% reduction in maintenance costs. When you remove the grease, the gears, and the $6 a gallon jet fuel, the per-mile cost drops from $10 to roughly $3. That is officially Uber Black territory. If you want to see who's actually winning, look at the Highlands. On March 19th, Loganair made history by flying a BETA ALA from Glasgow to Dundee. This was the first time a commercial airline used an all-electric aircraft for a real-world mission. Why does this matter? Because cargo doesn't complain about legroom. By proving the tech on Royal Mail routes first, these companies are de-risking the hardware in the toughest weather on Earth before you ever step on board. The military is the silent partner here. The U.S. Air Force has already been using these for silent cargo and medical runs because they are 100 times quieter than a helicopter. They don't need a massive runway. They just need a parking garage roof. The infrastructure isn't coming. It's already here. So the ultimate question, if an air taxi costs the same as a 2-hour Uber but takes 12 minutes, would you trust a battery at 1,000 feet, or are you sticking to the road? The FAA has already made their choice. I'll see you in the sky.